Good day, this is Michelle Balangkot and this is my elective 1 Data Communications and Networking 1 Laboratory Exercise 005. The title of this activity is Design of a Website using Cisco Packet Tracer. So, we have to open Cisco Packet Tracer. Packet tracer, then drag 3 PCs. 1, 2, and 3. 2 switches. And 4 servers. 3 label of PC0 and PC1 as dynamic and PC2 as static. PC0 as dynamic. They can't have the same name, so I will name this dynamic 2 and change this one as dynamic 1. Then the PC2 as static. In PC2, since it is named as static, configure its IP address. This one and makes it 172.0.9. Make sure that the packet tracer is in real time. It is. Then configure the DHCP server. Okay. This. Okay, let's connect them first. Then we have to configure the HTTP server. Add a server and name it as the HTTP server. So we'll just configure configure this one and make it the DHCP server. Then change it global settings by setting its gateway to 1.7. Configure its fast Ethernet. Set the HTTP service and HTTPS service to off. And the services HTTP and HTTPS. Set the DHCP service default gateway DHCP default gateway to 172. Let's just go. Set the IP address to 100. Probably have to turn this on and save. Set the DNS service and emails SMTP and service off. DNS is right off. Email off and off. Okay, done. Then onto the next server, we will name it DNS server. After naming it, we have to change its global settings gateway to again 172.16.0.1 and its fast Ethernet 11. Automatic subnet mask. Then set the HTTP service and HTTPS service off. So HTTP, turn this off, and the HTTP off, and DNS on, since this is the DNS server. So enter the domain name. Let's say, for example, okay, we'll just use the example as is. For its IP address to 172. Okay. Now let's add that. Like this one. Add another domain name. Turnout.com. Name, then address. Set the email SMTP off, then check the two dynamic PCs if the DHCP is successful. It means each PC was able to get an IP address from the server. So let's close this. Let's check the dynamic by HTTP request successful. Both of them is successful. Then let's move on to configure the web server. I think I'll list this one. Config, and we'll name it as web server. Then the link. Gateway, same as before. Press Ethernet to welcome to Ama. I think I have to edit one of this and off, and the DNS, make sure it's off, the DNS, again, it's off, and email, turn this off, and check the output of web server on the devices browser. So let's close this window. To copy this one. Then let's go here, web browser. That is, welcome to AMA Online Education System, flexible and personalized education for all. So, dynamic 1 is successful. Let's try second PC. Go same one. It's successful. Then the static. Let's try it. It works for every PC that are connected. Then there will be proposed activity for the internal. Follow the instruction of the app and create for the artificial intelligence. So I will do the same thing. Web server, and then it's internal. And then set the gateway to save and fast Ethernet, but this time we will put 30, the one we put in the DNS server. So after that, let's go to services, HTTP, and edit this. Just make a website here. I already made a website using HTML. I'll just copy this, the content here. one that I made earlier with Atom and CSS and HTML. We can actually import it here by deleting all of this. Yes, and import. It's in this earlier, but I kept it simple, so because Cisco packet tracer won't even show every details if I made it a complicated website. So everything is there now. So let's make sure these are off, then is off, then the email is off. Again, checking this one. Okay, this is my site. Well, I uploaded in MIS server, so I'll just edit out the names and the name of this, and then I will put the welcome to AMA later. This is it. Artificial intelligence and photo. The description of AI, its brief history and types. 4 types of artificial intelligence: attention, limited memory, theory of mind, self-awareness. That's it, and I'll edit this one because shows the AI website, and if we go with 20, then the AMA website. What are each questions to be answered within the video? What are HTTP, DNS, and DHCP? HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is an application layer for transmitting hypermedia documents such as HTML. Although it was created for web browser and web server communication, it can also be used for other purposes. And the DNS, or the domain name system, is the phone book of the internet. Humans access information online through domain names. DNS translates domain names to IP addresses so browser can load internet resources. Yeah, let's make this one. When we search here, I used IP address, right? But since we set our DNS servers earlier, we can actually search from edu here, and it will still work. And the internet.com here, and it will still work. Since the DNS translate this domain name into IP address, and the dynamic host configuration protocol is a client-server protocol that automatically provides an internet protocol host with its IP address and other related configuration information such as subnet mask and default gateway. And what is the difference between the web designs using HTML compared to Cisco Packet Tracer? Again, let's compare the two. Here, the MIS. The MIS that was purely designed here in .edu. This one was designed here in Cisco Packet Tracer, and internet.com was designed using HTML and a little bit of CSS. So web design utilizing HTML has a greater range of possibilities, especially with the addition of CSS and JavaScript. While web design in Cisco Packet Tracer is limited, since it is a simulation tool that just teaches us the fundamentals. It does not provide the comprehensive content or commands that required to build a real website. What can you conclude from this activity? I gained better understanding of the application layer and how it functions. Because of this activity, I also discovered what happens in network system when it comes to web design by creating a Cisco-based web programming system. So that's it. Thank you.